Hi, my name is Helen. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to make your perfect UI UX case study. This structure helped me double my designer income by attracting higher paying clients, and hopefully it will help you as well. So let's get right to it. So the first thing you need is a title that explains itself. You need to explain what exactly you've been working on, in this case mobile application design. And what was the industry or business? Clients will prefer someone with prior experience in their industry or similar. Do not use titles which are too general. Do not start a title from a client name or brand name unless you worked for some really big worldwide known brand, because HR managers that are looking for an app designer need to see your app design work fast. Because in most cases, the client name will not say anything to HR manager or your future potential client. The next thing you need to do is place the end result at the very top of the case study. Clean end result and corresponding catchy title grabs the attention of potential hiring manager or potential client. Neither hiring managers or potential clients have all time in the world to read through all the case studies. They simply don't have that time. I realized this with personal experience by reading lots of articles and by my personal experience of hiring a designer. Juicy end result makes people interested on how it was actually achieved. Same as you first get attracted to a person on the first date by visual appearance, and then you get to know their soul. Next, you need to talk about the challenge. Call it whatever you wish. Challenge, task, brief, problem. Add the word design in front of any of the above if you wish. But remember that further you will need to present the solution. If you have presented the solution and just the solution without saying what was the problem, task, or brief, is that really a solution? Now it is time to show your process. What was the process of your work? How you have collaborated with other team members, why certain design decisions were made, what deliverables were produced. You need this part to show the way you work, your methodology, your thought process, etc., and everything you've done in order to achieve the solution that you're going to present further. Finally, it's time to present the solution to the design problem. You have already explained how it was achieved in the previous step. Very important thing is, when you further have some metrics of success, you will need to add those to the case study. Something like this, for example, might work. After implementation of a proposed design solution, an average number of app uninstalls dropped by 56%. There is an amazing portfolio-related article that I highly recommend you to read, and I'm going to drop the link to this article right in the description below to this video. You may question, okay Helen, so the case study is great, but where do I actually place my designer portfolio? Behance, Dribbble, Instagram, LinkedIn. What should I choose? Relax, I have another video where I talk about all that, and I highly recommend you to watch it next after this video. Another very popular question that I get from lots of people is, okay Helen, so what should I do if I'm just starting in design and I don't really have any client projects to put into my portfolio? What should I do? How do I build my portfolio without no real client project? And I have answered this question in another video that I highly recommend you to watch next. I hope this video was valuable to you. If it was, please put a thumbs up to this video, click on subscribe button and smash that bell to stay tuned to even more value. If you enjoyed this video, you'll probably enjoy the next videos where I talk about where to showcase your designer portfolio or how to build your portfolio when you don't really have any client projects yet. So make sure to check those two videos right after this one. I will see you guys in the next videos. Take care.